The cub is yellow. The train is black. The truck is green. The jet is blue.
Good job.
My neck is orange. My thing is black. My top is blue. My rug is green. Her skin is pink. Her glove is red. Her dress is purple. Her ring is blue.
Good job.
He has a brown bat. He has
An.
an orange fish. He has a blue van. He has a green bug. They have a
White.
white shoe.
What's that? House.
They have a brown dog. They have a black fan. They have a blue slide.
Slide. Good job.